Is your computer running slow? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps to speed up your Windows PC. Most of the time, it's caused by too many startup apps, background programs, or pending Windows updates. Let's fix that right now. Method 1. Disable startup programs. What we're going to do is disable any programs that automatically start when your computer turns on. Go down to the search bar and type Run, or use the shortcut Windows +R. In the Run box, type msconfig, then click OK. Next, go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. You'll now see a list of all the programs that start with your computer. If you notice any programs that don't need to launch automatically, make sure to disable them. But if you're unsure about something, it's best to leave it as it is. When you're done, close Task Manager and go to the Services tab. Services are background programs that also run when your computer starts. Make sure to check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. This prevents you from disabling essential system processes. Now, carefully go through the list and uncheck any unnecessary services. Avoid disabling anything related to your computer's name, Intel processor, memory, or graphics card. However, services like Google Update or Epic Online Services can safely be turned off. Again, if you're unsure about something, don't uncheck it. When you're finished, click Apply, then OK. If you're prompted to restart your computer, go ahead and restart. Method 2. Update Windows. Go down to the search box and type Update, then select Check for Updates. Make sure to install every update available for your computer. If you're prompted to restart, go ahead and restart right away. Once your computer restarts, open the search box again, type Update, and check for updates one more time, just to make sure you're completely up to date. After that, scroll down, you will see Pause Update and you select the number of pause weeks. In Windows 10, go to Advanced Options to see Pause Update option. We're doing this because every time you turn on your computer, Windows automatically checks for updates. This can slow down your processor during startup and cause all sorts of lag when running programs. Select the date or extend the weeks to avoid Windows Update automatically getting installed. And you won't have to deal with Windows slowing things down unexpectedly. Method 3. Antivirus. Make sure you have an antivirus program protecting your computer. If you don't have one, that's a big problem. Your system is vulnerable. You can download a free antivirus from avast.com. Check the link in the description below. It's free, reliable, and easy to use. Once you've installed your antivirus, run a full system scan. This will check your entire computer for viruses and make sure it's clean. You can take it a step further by visiting malwarebytes.com. Link also in the description below. Malwarebytes helps detect and remove spyware and malware that regular antivirus programs might miss. Method 4. Clear temp folders. Go down to the search box and type Run, then select the Run app. In the box, type Temp and click OK. When the temp folder opens, select everything and delete it. Next, close that window and open the Run app again. This time, type %temp%, click OK. Again, delete everything in that folder. If some files can't be deleted because they're in use, simply skip them. I hope this brief tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more helpful tech tips.